Welcome back to Living 757, Quincy. Do you love deals?
You know I love a good deal.
I love deals
I
too.
know you do too.
Especially when it comes to this time of the year, summer. And now, Closet Factories is having the biggest sale of the year during this summer time. And to learn more about this, let's welcome to the show, Brittni and Rossi.
Hello.
How are you, Brittni?
Good.
We're so excited. I am so excited because this is something that I really
I can tell.
I love.
Listen to how she says it.
I need some space. I need to make better space for my closet. But anyways, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Now, this is the biggest sales of the year during the summer. Tell us a little bit more about this great event and also when it started.
The sale is going on right now, and it goes through Labor Day, which is September 4th. And it's the biggest sale that we've ever offered, the deepest discounts that we have ever offered. We're doing 15% for new clients, 20% off for returning clients, and 25% for clients that have been on our show, which is Operation Reorganization.
I love
Got
that.
it, got it. Now, you guys have been in operation servicing the Hampton Roads area for what? This is your 20 year
anniversary. Kudos to you
so
guys.
if I'm not mistaken, you guys started out when Isabel tried to come through and destroy the area.
Oh my
back then.
gosh.
I know because that's when I got married. I got married in 2003. So, but you're a designer. So, you know, tell us, like, what are some of your favorite, most memorable designs of closets?
One of my favorite designs was a giant closet here in Virginia Beach, and my client just picked the most beautiful accessories.
It was Ashley.
Ashley's close?
No.
No,
Ashley's close?
Oh, Ashley doesn't live in Virginia.
Oh, yeah, she's in Jersey. Sorry.
That's all right, that's all right. She just had a beautiful color selection and put glass doors in it and light and just beautiful hardware. We call the hardware the jewelry of the closet. And she picked gorgeous hardware and just all the bells and whistles really made it stand out in my mind.
Now, this is not her closet, obviously, but this is a few different types of designs that you guys have done. And you got your accessories, you got, you know, like I noticed that the white color also makes the room look bigger if it's a small closet, is that right?
Absolutely. We do recommend, you know, in a smaller space, bright colors,
Bright
because it really
colors.
keeps it open and it's more neutral that way.
Makes sense.
You know, so.
That will be my dream come true. Just to walk inside and oh, and you can have everything so you can match and mix.
I
So,
can make that happen for you.
I know. Girl, we're talking.
Everybody's hitting couches.
You get a closet. You get a closet.
Look at how beautiful those pictures we see. Like you can also take advantage of your space in the house, like everything. So now we're looking at those. No project is small or big for Closet Factory. Can you give me an example of what can be a small project or a big project?
So a lot of people think that, you know, if it's too small, they don't need us. But really, the small closets are the ones that need our help the most. And I just recently did a job that was a very small reach-in closet with a really long return wall. They couldn't get back there.
Long wall.
It is super long. It was like way back there. You couldn't even reach it. So we just kind of reconfigured the way it was structured within it, put some shelving right as you walk in, and then on the right side was some hanging. And it just made it much more accessible without losing any space, because that's what we're all about, is maximizing vertical space.
Right, especially these days.
That is. So now, Quincy, I know you have a lot to miss and match all the time. You are on point here on the show.
Yes, I am very.
Is your closet bigger than Sabrina?
First of all, that's wrong. I don't have a closet. I have
do you mean?
a piece.
Oh, 1-800 call Brittni. 1-800 call Brittni right now.
Yeah. Help me get a bigger space in my own house, in my own closet. Can you do that?
Absolutely. I can turn a whole wall into a closet for you.
You know,
See?
done.
See?
Done. Because I almost took a hammer to my
I'm
wall.
helping you.
Awesome. So, like, you guys' biggest thing is we're going to put your information up here on the screen, but people can follow you, or you prefer that they do what?
Call us on the phone, 757-486-2726. Just give us a call. We'll set up a complimentary design consultation. It's really quick and easy, and we make it really a fun process.
And remember, the sales end up on September the 4th, the end of the summer. So take advantage of these great sales.
Yeah, thank you so much, Brittni, for
Thank you,
stopping by.
Brittni.
Yeah, Closet
call you.
Factory will.
I will call you.
Right.